What are the diagnosis and treatment of overeating disorder, which is known as binge disorder? To diagnose binge disorder, your medical care provider may recommend a psychological evaluation, including discussion of your eating habit. Your medical care provider may also want to have the other tests to check for health consequences of binge eating disorder, such as high cholesterol, high blood pressure, heart problems, diabetes, GERD, and some sleep related breathing disorder. These tests may include a physical examination, blood and urine tests, a sleep disorder center consultation. What are the treatment options? The goal for treatment of binge eating disorder are to reduce eating binge and achieve healthy eating habit, because binge eating can also be entwined with shame, poor self-image, and other negative emotion. Treatment may also address these and any other mental health issue, such as depression. By getting help for binge eating, you can learn how to feel more in control of your eating. Psychotherapy is another option. Whether in individual or group sessions, psychotherapy can help to teach how to exchange unhealthy habit for healthy one and reduce binging episodes. Example of psychotherapy include cognitive behavioral therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy may help you cope better with issues that can trigger binge eating episodes, such as negative feeling about your body or a depressed mood. It may also give you a better sense of control over your behavior and help you regulate eating pattern. Interpersonal psychotherapy. This type of therapy focuses on your relationship with other people. The goal is to improve your interpersonal skill, how to relate to others, including family, friends, and co-workers. This may help reduce binge eating that triggered by problematic relationship and unhealthy communication skills. Dialectical behavioral therapy. This form of therapy can help you learn behavioral skill to help you tolerate stress, regulate your emotion, and improve your relationship with others, all of which can reduce the desire to binge eat. What are the medication? Lisdexamfetamine, demyelzylate, or a drug for attention deficit disorder, is the first FDA-approved medication to treat moderate to severe binge eating disorder in adult. A stimulant wine C can be habit-forming and abused. Common side effects include dry mouth, insomnia, but more serious side effects can occur. Several other types of medication may help to reduce symptoms. Examples include topiramate, which is known as Topamax, an anticonvulsant drug normally used to control seizures. Topiramate has also been found to reduce binge eating episodes. However, there are side effects such as dizziness, nervousness, sleepiness, and trouble concentrating. So, discuss the risk and benefit with your medical care provider. Antidepressant is another option. Antidepressant may reduce binge eating disorder. It is not clear how these can reduce binge eating disorder, but it may relate to how they affect certain brain chemicals associated with mood. While these medications can be helpful in controlling binge eating